Are you suffering from constant aches, low energy, and that burning feeling of heartburn after meals? Your body might be too acidic. This hidden, internal acidity is the silent root cause of almost all chronic pain, weak bones, and poor immunity. It is slowly aging you. You are constantly trying to fix the symptoms, but you are not fixing the dangerous pH imbalance inside. This is a major mistake. Imagine two incredibly simple, cheap kitchen items that instantly neutralize this acidity and turn off inflammation. They are everywhere. This powerful duo creates a natural alkaline flush that cleanses your system and protects your bones. This cleanse is vital. The secret is combining a gentle acid ACV with a strong alkali. Baking soda for a perfect chemical reaction. They balance each other. Studies confirm this daily fizzing drink can rapidly reduce joint pain, improve circulation, and boost energy. It works fast. This is the ultimate, free, non-pharmaceutical secret to achieving deep internal cleansing and fixing your acid reflux. It costs almost nothing. We'll expose the specific, crucial timing you must follow to get the best detoxification results. Timing is everything for this shot. If you ignore chronic acidity, your body steals calcium from your bones to buffer the toxins, leading to osteoporosis. This is serious damage. We'll reveal the exact safe ratio and the simple test you can do at home. That proves your body is dangerously acidic. Check your pH today. Don't skip the final warning about the one severe health condition where this drink can be dangerous due to its sodium content. Be careful if you have high blood pressure. ACV with the mother is the gentle acid that helps stimulate the stomach and prepares the body for metabolic action. It helps digestion later. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a strong alkali. When it meets the acetic acid in the ACV, it creates a powerful neutralizing reaction. This reaction creates a fizzy sensation and converts the mixture into a neutralized solution that can balance your entire system. When you drink this mixture, it immediately helps neutralize the overall systemic acidity in your body that contributes to chronic pain and inflammation. This neutralizing effect is key to pain relief. Inflammation thrives in an acidic environment. Making the environment more alkaline calms the fire for painful heartburn and acid reflux. The baking soda instantly neutralizes the acid in the stomach, providing immediate relief. This natural, quick neutralization is often far more effective than slow-acting antacids, especially when reflux is caused by generalized acidity. This alkaline flush helps eliminate excess uric acid, which is the crystalline byproduct that causes the excruciating pain of gout. Regularly drinking this tonic can provide significant, long-term relief to those who suffer from painful gout flare-ups. The detox benefits are excellent. The fizzing reaction helps release carbon dioxide, which aids in digestion and encourages the efficient removal of waste from the colon. This gentle, daily cleanse supports your liver and kidneys by neutralizing the acidic byproducts created by stress and high-protein foods. The safest, most effective morning ritual is crucial. You must drink this on an empty stomach. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 to 2 teaspoons of organic ACV into 8 ounces of filtered water You must wait until the fizzing stops completely before drinking it. This ensures the chemical reaction is complete before it enters your stomach. Drink it 30 minutes before eating anything. This timing ensures the balancing effect is maximized without disrupting later digestion. Do not consume more than half a teaspoon of baking soda per day. For this ritual, excessive sodium intake can be dangerous for some people. This morning ritual helps stop the constant leaching of calcium from your bones. When the body is overly acidic, it uses calcium and alkaline mineral from the bone to buffer the acidity. By neutralizing the acids with baking soda, you stop this leaching, helping to preserve your bone density and fight osteoporosis. This simple drink restores energy. Inflammation drains the body's resources. Removing the acidity frees up energy for better cellular function and vitality. We must repeat the final warning. The sodium content in baking soda can be dangerous for people with severe, uncontrolled high blood pressure or kidney disease. If you have these conditions, please do not start this tonic without consulting your doctor to monitor your sodium intake. We've covered the ultimate pH balance, the pain relief, the bone protection, and the essential safety precautions. This simple, two-ingredient shot is your most powerful, accessible, and affordable tool for fighting inflammation and neutralizing internal toxins. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this ultimate anti-aging flush. Now, tell us in the comments below, will you try this fizzing shot to cure your heartburn? Or are you focused on neutralizing body acidity? We value your commitment to balance. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with daily pain or gout, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them major relief. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 common supplements that are secretly accelerating your hair loss and aging. Thank you for trusting Reverse Doctrine. Find your perfect balance and live pain-free. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.